Violence steals futures, right? It shatters lives. It's time to break the cycle. Let us commit to nonviolent solutions, to understanding and creating a world where peace prevails. Join the movement for a violence-free future. Always choose peace, choose kindness, choose a violence-free world. Naglakip kita alang sa kalibutan, diin ang gugma nagdaog, ug diin ang kamadyohon nagpahilom sa kagubot, ug diin ang kaluoy naghatag og hapsay. Together we can build a brighter future where it starts with us choosing empathy. Everyone deserves to be heard and valued. Who can make a difference. Mahimo nato ni pinaagi sa pagrespeto sa atong isig katawo